Welcome back, guys. Today we're just gonna do a crypto analysis of the technical side of things for Bitcoin. And also, I thought it would be a good idea, since it has been 6 months, that we should be reviewing the portfolios that we built in the earlier videos. So, guys, here we go. Couple of weeks ago, we were discussing about how Bitcoin is going to perform. And as you guys can see, if I make this a little bit bigger, it's nearly hitting 40K, which is one of his main resistance points here. And I believe with a very strong sign here. So one of the key I would say pattern that a lot of traders actually do look at it in the market is called flag pattern, bull flag pattern. And I'm today going to draw the bull flag, and I will show you how it actually works. So let's just build that in here. So this is our the handle of the flag. And if we take this to here like this, and so this pattern usually happens in a bull market quite a lot, and it's kind of it signals the upward movement of the market. And as you guys can see, it's got a shape of a flag basically. And I believe that Bitcoin will now will start to going upward movement, guys. So once it passes this resistance point here, which is around $40,000, which I believe we will be able to break it easily. And then we will see it's going all the way around. Even I can draw another line here. One of the key resistance points that people do often talk about, it's this 42,000 here. As you guys can see, it has touched quite a few times here, and here. And I believe this 42,000 could be potentially a key resistance point here as well. So as you guys can see, what I'm expecting it to do is hit around 40,000, do a little bit of a sideways movement to about 38,500, and then straight up again. It's going to be, and if I'm correct, and we might see Bitcoin finishing the year over 42,000, or in between 48, between 42 and 48,000. So I'm looking at somewhere around this region here. So let me just draw like a rectangular box here for us, so we can see what we are trying to achieve here. So I mean, I guess your question may be asked, why would you buy now, basically, in Bitcoin, right? So price has been moving nicely. I would expect Bitcoin to finish in this zone here. So anywhere in between here, it will have, this is where I expect Bitcoin to finish 2023, around anywhere in between 42 to 48,000, anywhere in between. This is where it's gonna finish for this year. So guys, keep an eye on cryptos. Cryptos are on the move. If you look at Ethereum, again, Ethereum has been doing exactly that. Ethereum has been performing extremely well, guys. Again, we are looking at a really nice angle here. Again, it has got a nice flag pattern here. If I draw the pattern for you guys, it will look like a flag again here as well. It is a bullish flag as well, being created for Ethereum too. So we will have a nice little upward move here as well for Ethereum. Keep an eye out, guys, and we can easily see that the flag is getting created on Ethereum as well. As you guys can see, that's the flag pattern there for us. and it might come down a little bit and then over, and I'm expecting Ethereum also to finish around higher than possibly this target here. So we can draw the lines here, horizontal line here, roughly around maybe around this area here. 3.24 to 2.5. I'm expecting Ethereum to kind of finish around this zone here. Around 2.4 to 2.6. Basically, that's what I'm expecting Ethereum to do. So it will break out from this channel here, from this bull flag, and it should go straight up around this region. Maybe finish end of the year in around here. So if Ethereum finishes over 2.1 or 2.2 for 2023, then that is a really good percentage gain, guys. Don't sit on Ethereum, guys. If you can invest in Ethereum, it's a very good coin. It's a long-term coin. My long-term target for Ethereum, I am looking at around double what we have here. So I would expect Ethereum to possibly double from here around between $10,000 to $12,000 in the next bull market, which is going to be really good for Ethereum. So once it breaks out this, then potentially we will see this level to be looked at. I'm just going to draw all the levels which I'm going to keep an eye on, roughly around all of these areas here. And I believe Ethereum should easily be able to go past this in the bull market, guys. We will see a massive price upswing from here onwards. It's around $2,000 right now. I'm expecting for it to do another 5 to 6x, and if we count that in, it's between $12,000 to $14,000 in the next bull market, which is going to be a great price for Ethereum as well. So now, guys, let's have a look at the portfolios that we actually built 6 months ago. Let's see how all of them and all the coins have performed. So we built here in CoinGecko at the time, although we did buy at a very high prices, but still, I mean, we end up getting a really, really good. So first portfolio I'm going to look at is our blue chip portfolio, and let's see how it has performed since we bought it. So as you guys can see in our blue chip portfolio, we have Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, Chainlink, and Polkadot. The biggest gainer out of this, guys, has been Solana, 146% up. Bitcoin 32% up, Ethereum 14% up, Chainlink 94% up, and rather disappointing, Polkadot only 4.49% up. Invested 10K, we are over 38% overall on this portfolio, which is not bad. And we haven't even started the bull market yet, guys. So I believe this potentially will give us really good profits. I'm expecting around 6 to 8x more. Maybe Solana, Chainlink, and Polkadot will give us the biggest gains out of this. Ethereum possibly from current prices, I would expect it to go to between $12,000 to $14,000. Bitcoin, as I've mentioned in my previous videos about Bitcoin, that this potentially I'm looking at 270 between 270 280k price range for the bull market, the peak of the bull market. So anything is possible, and we will see how this performs in next next 1.5 to 2 years. So the next portfolio we're going to look at is multi-sector coins portfolio. So this portfolio had everything in it. Gaming coins, as you guys can see, it's up 66% overall, which is fantastic. We invested around 10K and we are up around 66% on this portfolio. As you guys can see, the highest returns we have is Solana, Gods Unchained, a gaming project, up 214%. Avex doing absolutely fantastic. Chainlink is up as well, guys. Optimism, brilliant. Again, very good. Polkadot, slightly disappointing, but hey, Polkadot will have with 2.0 Polkadot coming up. He will have really good performance as well. Cosmos again, just 2% up from when we got in. Arbitrum slightly downwards at the moment, but I believe Arbitrum will also perform extremely well, so we will be fine. RV, which is one of the best storage coins, 46% up. Oasis Network 69% up. Sandbox is 3% down, not a problem at all. Mina Protocol nearly 53% up. Singularity Net, we have Blur, which is up 62%. We got XRP, which is 26% up, and Ocean Protocol, which is 51% up. Overall, this portfolio is up around 68%, which is fantastic returns, guys, within 6 months. Absolutely amazing. As you guys can see, most of the coins in this portfolio are up. And, even Arbitrum and, Sandbox, I have no doubt that these coins will also go extremely high and will perform extremely well in the upcoming bull market. Fantastic again, guys. So next one, we're going to look at the multi-sector medium risk portfolio. Again, combination of all coins. As you guys can see, this is about 34%, nearly 35% up. Every coin in this portfolio seems to have done extremely well. Injective, we got Fetch AI, we got Immutable XLR. Really good returns here. Just one coin, Aptos. I believe when we bought Aptos, it was at a high price at the time. So that's fine. I'm pretty sure Aptos will be going past $50 to $60 easily, guys. So I have no doubt Aptos will perform extremely well. It's just getting started. And the rest of the coins here that we had, pretty much, Gala coin, even Gala coin, I mean, we bought it at a higher price, but I believe Gala coin will also do extremely well in the upcoming bull market. Sui has been a bit disappointing, folks, but however, Sui has got great potential as well, and it will do extremely well in the upcoming bull market. And Filecoin, only $4 down, only $62 down here, whereas the rest and $12 here. Apart from that, guys, we got extremely good performances. So again, 34% up on this multi-sector medium risk portfolio as well. And I'm expecting this coins to absolutely hit. I would not be surprised if it goes over 250 or 300 or even $500,000 from here, from this portfolio. So next one we're going to look at is high risk, high rewards portfolio. Let's have a look at it. Oh, this will have some amazing gains, guys. As you can see, 78% up on this portfolio. Casper has been absolute on fire, guys. Nearly 5x from the value. Myria, also one of the coins I recommended, absolutely on fire, nearly 476%. Vector AI, VXV, 120%, Revel, 78%. So guys, as you guys can see, the gains here are, absolutely phenomenal, doing extremely well. Most of the coins are up. Parsec, this coin will go up, and I'm pretty sure it will go nearly $2 from where it is currently, and I believe that will definitely happen. Even the seller network, I believe, will do extremely well. Cellframe, again, 41% from its market from when we bought. Not a problem at all, guys. I believe this coin is really good as well, and it will do well in the long term. It's getting started as well, guys. So hey, there you go. Again, yet another portfolio that is up nearly 78%, extremely good. Again, all these coins will perform really good. They're well researched, and yeah, we are on a right track. So next portfolio, we're going to have a look at it quickly. It's metaverse and gaming cryptos. Let's see what we have here. Wow, nearly 85% on the portfolio. We had a 5K invested on these coins. Star Atlas performing really well. Gold's Unchained, Crowd War. We got really good games here, guys. 341% Sinverse. So as you guys can see, extremely good gaming portfolio. The only one that hasn't really performed, but it's up last 7 days, 22%, and 12% down. It's a Trace. I believe this project will do really well as well from where we bought, and the rest of the coins are doing extremely well, guys. So there you go. We've got a really good portfolio here as well, nearly 85% up. So that's mostly every single portfolio we have here, I think, has performed extremely well. Now we're going to look at the AI and big data crypto projects. Again, 63% up. Most of the coins has performed extremely well here, guys, as you guys can see, apart from Parsec. Obviously, Parsec is a really good coin, guys. I'm not worried about it at all. He will do extremely well. I know that for a fact. He's got extremely good fundamentals, tokenomics. Everything is great about this project, so it should catch up with the rest of the guys. But overall, performance has been extremely good. And yep, so next project is storage and security crypto portfolio. Again, 74%, extremely well. As you guys can, Blue guys, absolutely on fire. Kudos as well, you know, Phantasma as well. All of these coins, guys, as doing extremely well. Cross network, this will also come back up. It's a really good project, guys. And Shen2 as well, slightly down, only 2%. So not that worried at all, guys. These are all good projects here as well. RV 42%, Render 76%. Obviously, we bought Render at quite a high price, but hey, it's performing extremely well, guys. So there you go. Even this portfolio is up 74%. Absolutely fantastic. Now, Misc Portfolio, miscellaneous portfolio, guys. You're gonna have a look at this one. Again, 38%. So not bad at all. You know, Starlink, I believe this project has got real potential. This potentially could go all the way to 10 cent, guys, from here. So load up if you guys want to, and you know, have a look at it and do your own research on the coins, folks. And as you guys can see, I mean, some of these coins have done extremely well, guys, and really good. All of them has performed really well. CoinWeb, this coin will also come back up. It's a good project. It's a slow builder. It's taking its time, but I believe it will, you know, eventually it will come up and do extremely well, folks. So yeah, very, very good performance again. You will always have, you know, coins here and there who are not going to perform well, but however, as long as your portfolios are diversified, you will do extremely well. So guys, there you go, 38% on this portfolio as well, extremely good. So now we're going to look at the layer 2 coin portfolios. And as you guys can see, you know, 78% up, 7x already, guys, on Myria when we bought. Mutable X, absolutely brilliant performance on all layer 2s, guys, that we have. Obviously, Arbitrum is slightly down at the moment because we bought at a higher price when Arbitrum was new, just launched. Not a problem at all, guys. The rest of the coins have been performing extremely well. Polygon, obviously, is a good coin, so obviously I'm expecting it to come up. Potentially could go all the way to 50 billion market cap. So keep an eye on it, guys, and it's fantastically performing well. And even Seller and Loopring are doing extremely well as well, guys. So there you go, another 78% on the portfolio. Fantastic returns. Now we're going to look at the meme coin portfolio. Wow. This is going to be very, very interesting because I haven't had a look at this one. Okay, so we only invested a very small, tiny amount on it, $500 or $400 worth of it. We invest, and it's up 27%, so not bad at all. 127% step up. You know, this one, Terra Luna Classic, has been on fire, guys. So watch out for this. If the deep bagging and the burn that is going on, it could potentially reach 10 cent as well. And you know, we could see a really good market cap going back up again. 89% in the last few 7 days, so fantastic returns. 41% on Flowkey. Dot moves 18%. Shiba Inu, slightly disappointing, but it's up 10%. Pepe, again, minus 23% because we bought it at a higher price. And I think this coin has become, is removed from it. But however, I think it's still active in the market. So, you know, extremely good project as well. Not sure why it's been removed, but I believe it will do well and it's still active. So yeah, not bad. I mean, 28%, you know, it's extreme risk anyway. And it's means portfolio, you know, one of these coins could go massively big and it will give us a really good return. So that's why it's the least amount of investment on it. The DCA portfolio, obviously, this was primarily just Solana. And as you guys can see from when we bought it, it's been up 122%. So not bad at all, folks. And it's doing really well. So as you can see, it's up massively. It's up 122%, only one coin. So there you go, guys. What DCA portfolio is doing extremely well as well. So there you have it, folks. We are doing extremely well here, and this is how it goes, my friends. We created the portfolio 6 months ago when I started this channel, and we promised that we will review this after 6 months, after 1 year, during the bull market as well, and see how it performed. And I will also make some future videos explaining which coins I'll be selling at what prices as well, guys, so we can see the portfolios and we can see the performances as well. So until next time, folks, have a good evening and enjoy your weekend.